Hey guys, welcome to a new Bearded V-strom rider review, and today we are reviewing some Ravetech gear you've all been waiting for. The first in a line of series products, the Ravetech GPS mount with attached bar on it. What are you going to need? First of all, you're going to need a number 4 Allen wrench, and of course the detailed description Allen provides you with the gear. So bear with me and we'll see how this thing gets installed. Okay guys, I already got a little tip for you. I started with the bottom 2 screws because they looked easier to me, so I thought, no, let's do that first. But then this happens. And now with the top 2, I have to fight this the whole time. Also remember that there are spacers with little rubbers behind here. So make sure you catch them, because if you drop them and they end up in some kind of mysterious place where all dropped bolts go, then you're kind of screwed. See what I did there? So I'm going on with this, and I'll let you know when I'm done. Well, that's all done. Ravetech gives you this handy bag full of new rubber grommets here. Actually, the standard Suzuki windscreen attaches up here and down here, or here I think. But I have DV airflow, so that's been modified. So I hope that I just have to change out these grommets, and that the windscreen, including the Ravetech mount, which will be situated as so, still fits. So let's check that out. It's kind of a little adventure, you know. It's always fun. Yes, yes. Okay, I've got this all prefabbed up here. I'm going to keep the camera rolling this time because I think this can bring up a few laughs. I am going to speed up the camera a little bit so you are not watching this for 6 hours or something. Enjoy me fumbling around. What I didn't show you is that I replaced the new well bolts, like the little rubber thingies, with the old ones, because the new ones were spinning around when I was screwing the bolt in. So the old ones don't seem to do that, so I'm going to connect them further and just tighten them loosely. Don't tighten them too fast, because the nut in the little rubber housing will come out. So tighten them like hand tight. They can still fumble around. They can still just turn around and stuff like that. So take notice. Well, boys and girls, it's back on. Let me show you what we've got. As you see here, we have this ram mount up there, which allows us to actually attach, for example, this tom-tom piece. I will be doing that later and reviewing it. Well, not this, but how it all fits. And the clip bar, where you could, for example, attach a hook like this, like a clip which you can screw on for other accessories and gear and whatever you want to put on there. So stay tuned for the review. So this was just the mounting video. The review will follow later. Bye bye.